Today, we're going to be tackling a common coding problem, finding the median of two sorted arrays. We'll explore a C++ solution and provide a comprehensive explanation of our code. The problem we're solving today involves finding the median of two sorted arrays. We'll now explore a C++ solution that combines the arrays into a single sorted array and calculates the median. Now, before we take a look at the code segment and the explanations, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so in this solution, first a class is defined solution with the method find median sorted arrays that takes in two vectors, nums1 and nums2, representing the two sorted arrays, and returns the median as a double. We start by obtaining the sizes of the input arrays, n and m, using the size function. We then create a new vector nums with a size of n plus m to store the merged and sorted elements from both arrays. We initialize variables including index to track the current index in the new array, and L and R to track the pointers of the two input arrays. Next, we merge the arrays into a new array by comparing the elements at nums1 1 and nums2 r, or nums1 L and nums2 r, and if an element from nums1 is smaller or equal, we add it to nums and increment the index and L pointers. Otherwise, we add the element from nums2 and increment the index and R pointers. After merging, we add any remaining elements from the first array, nums1, and then any remaining elements from the second array, nums2. To calculate the median, we declare a variable ant as a double and determine the middle index mid of the merged array. If the total number of elements is even, then we take the average of the two middle elements. We can access these elements by nums mid and nums mid minus 1 and divide their sum by 2.0. If the total number of elements is odd, we directly assign the middle element at nums mid to ant. Finally, we return the calculated median answer. So let's go ahead and run this. Alright, and looks good. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.